somewhere over there in the middle of nowhere, somewhere down there. And I don't even have idea where Sayok is right now.
What's up, everybody? How you doing? Today we want to welcome y'all in the episode when I'm taking my man Sayok with his Virgin drone to the best place when you can test your drone, which is Rasalkhaimah. Let's go.
Yeah, so you guys came to know that we are on our way to Rasalkhaimah. We are going to a mountain that's one of known to be one of the highest mountain in UAE. Hi guys, as you can see, like, we are surrounded by mountains. Okay, this is like somewhere around nowhere. So we are on our way to, let's say, Rasalkhaimah. So me and my buddy Sebastian, we are already, and it's really hot over here. You can see the mountains. Now once we climb the mountains, you can see the let's say the beautiness of this place, and also the temperature will cool a little bit. So we have just stopped here to fit the GoPro, to mount the GoPro on the front of the car. So now we're gonna continue.
Hi, I need to tell you something. Sayok is my hero. My drone lost connection, battery low, and landed somewhere over there. Somewhere over there, in the middle of nowhere. Somewhere down there. And I don't even have idea where Sayok is right now. Sayok! Where is he? Sayok! Where is Sayok? Sayok, how was it?
I felt like I'm climbing Mount Everest.
Why you took that risk? I was about to go down.
Of course, we cannot go down. Downhill is more severe than uphill. My legs are shivering.
But he did it.
Yeah, I did it.
But I don't know why I didn't thought before to send the location and to see, because the application DJI have find my drone.
Yeah, it was
I
more.
assure you.
It was more below than the place I went before. It's really, really down. But luckily we found it. That's great.
Oh my god, that's super great. It was somewhere over there. Somewhere over there. In the middle of nowhere. And one other thing happened. Look here. Ta-da! That shit blow up. Okay, we're gonna go to eat something, and drink.
Yeah, first I need to wash. You got bottle of water, right?
Yeah, use it. Okay, see you somewhere else.
Is there any eatery?
First, I will buy some water and then we will eat KFC, yeah? You feel that like you can stand up or no?
So we did it today.
It was a tough day.
Yeah, it was really a tough day. We just finished our trip to Rasalkhaimah. Now we are back to Dubai. We just
Full of adventures.
Yeah, just had some.
I lost my drone and that was a big challenge because the battery went dead, but luckily DJI have that option when you can locate your drone. So Sayok went down, I charged my phone because my phone also, the battery went down, so I started to charging my phone and I sent him the location, but it was tough. And that took a long time, and it was almost the sunset time. So
yeah, it was almost dark.
and there is not many extra light around it. So we was very lucky, and Sayok is my hero.
Actually, we both are the hero. He sent me the location, so I need to find that drone because of those locations. And also, guys, now we are heading back to Dubai. Stay tuned in my channel, and I'm gonna link his channel down below somewhere, and you guys can subscribe to his channel. Yeah, guys, see you. Take care.
See ya.